Hello guys and welcome to BitsBytes. This is the continuation of functions in golang. In this tutorial we learn about how we create the methods, why we call a function as known as a method. Okay, first thing, and we learn about how we pass the multiple n number of arguments in a function in golang. So let's start. So first we create a multiple n number of argument we pass with the same parameter, same type in golang. So we create a one file for that, function1.go. Yeah, this is a file we created. So we need to import a package. We need to create a package, that's a main package, in which we need a one fmt import. It will be imported soon. So first, what we learned in the previous video is we take this as a function. So we use a keyword func and the function name. I wrote the function name is an argument and args. Okay, so I am using an integer arguments. So I want to pass a 10 digits in an argument. So that's arguments. We need a triple dot and which data type, that's we wrote. There is no return type. This function is just print an argument. Okay, so curly braces, and then after that no need for integer. We already know about how for loop works, so I'm using that loop for a number of argument will be passed in the argument for printing those. So data I am using integer as an argument, so that's why I am using a %d, because we are using a printf. Okay, so now fmt is imported, VS Code imported for us for our program. Now we need a main function where I call an args. There is an argument we can pass. So this is the argument I pass in this function. So think about like this: we have a two persons, one is a main, one is an args. So main set to an args, we have a 10 digits we need to display in a terminal, and an args said that okay, I will help you in that, please give those numbers to me, give the list to me, and I will print or I will display that number in front of users. So the main function is calling that at line number 20 and passing the all 10 digit numbers to the an argument. That mine an argument is the work with an argument work is or task is showing a number to the terminal or a user in front of user. So let's run this program and check the an args works good or not. Go run arg.go. Yes, an args prints perfectly 10 digit number, and with each number is represented in a line, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. So that's the way an args printed and display the number of numbers that hand over by the main person. Okay, So this is the way of now we discuss what an args does. So I just putting a 10 digit. If I am putting 2 digit more, like if I am putting, okay, sorry for that. One, two, three, four, 6. Okay, so first the main method said you are doing great job. So anargs represent the 10 digit number. Now main said you are doing a great job, your representation skills is very good. So anarg please show the 6 numbers I have. Please also represent along with the previous one. So there are 2 calls going to the main, one for the 1 to 10 digit numbers and second is the 1 to 6 digit number. So first of all, clear the screen of the terminal and check our anarg function goes good or not. Yes, it is. So first 10 digit is represented by a single time, and then there is a 6 numbers also hand over by the main to the anargs function, so also printed in this way. So I'm not writing anything, I'm just using a 3 dots here and I shrink and expand the size of the arguments. So how it's happen, how it's work. So the thing is, the args represent the array of integer. If you hover the cursor on args variable, that represent the array, not in a single variable, not a single type. It's a array of integer. We can change into array of a string, we can change into any. So this is the way to represent the shrink. If we not know about the how many arguments we pass in this function, but all those functions, all those parameters are same type. So this is the property of the array. All the homogeneous or a similar kind of data can be represented through the array or grouped by the array in a single unit. So I am following that method. So this is the first part we completed, we achieved and we learned that thing. And second part, if we not have any argument, so arg should say that you not pass any argument. Okay, so as an error, not or we can say not error. Okay. Length is a function, a built-in function. Args greater than 0. We also much aware about the if-else statements, how it's working and how it's running in our program. So I put one condition: if the length of argument is greater than 0, then it's display the numbers whatever he take from the previous function of called function. Right now the main function is a person or a function who calls the anargs function. Okay, otherwise it print the okay, so just copy us one line and remove the arguments we pass. So it's work perfectly fine. See, we have first main gives the 10 numbers. It's present the 10 numbers till now. Then main hand overs the 6 numbers. Now, so it's print 6. But then main just call that without giving any number. So in this case, no list found to display. So on argument side, I don't have any data to display in front of user at the time of representing. But in this case, the argument is set, but it should be revoked and told to the main. You're not passing any argument, right? So this is the different approach. But what I want, argument said or send acknowledgement to the main if he not passing any argument, and that error as an error, the main should be act. Okay, so instead of that, if main not providing any argument, any such arguments, then it's giving the no list provided, the number of list not provided to the argument, an arg function. But if an arg function be providing a list, then it's acknowledge a nil. I am happy to help you, that's kind of thing. So there is no such error. But at the time I created my own error, own list provided, no list provided. Okay, so each time we need to represent like this. That's an acknowledgement as in the form of error we have. So if we are not equal to nil, it's giving error because it's not find any data type. After that it's all fine. Okay, these are fundamental things what I'm showing right now, but after the fundamental become strong, then you will get what I want to tell or how to build things. For simplicity I wrote line number here. Okay, which line number it's printed. Okay, according to our scenario, the last call giving a error, and in which that main knows there is no list provided to the argument. So first of all, clear the terminal and go run. See, first 10 digit will be printed fine. There is acknowledgement is nil. So there is a if condition, if error or acknowledgement not equal to nil, then print error. So that will not execute it because it's a nil. Then we providing us 6 numbers and it's also a nil. So there is a no if condition is executed. But when we are not providing any argument, not a single digit, not a single word, not a single digit display in this case, so error is not nil. Error is the one object that is a no list provided. That's a message I customize for the error. So FMT empty.printf percentage line 27 and err.err, that means this message will be shown. So line 27, no list provided is shown here. I hope you are understand this. So we are moving a little bit complex thing, but it's good for us. We discuss later about that. That's a method. We need to create a method. Okay, so method. We need a structure. That is a custom or user inbuilt structure. So for creating a methods, we need a one own user type or interface. So we can say that this is the method for this interface. Like we are human beings, we have a hands, we have a skin, we can sense that. If I create a struct for human beings, so I will tell you later how to create a struct, but right now I'm just writing. Okay, this is the human being. I'm not writing anything inside that, so we need a one function for that. So what we need, there is a func fun. After that we open up braces and then sense. So this is a function I created for my human being, but this is not known as a function. This is known as a method. Method of which? Method of human being, right? Because human being we can sense that, right? We can sense, we can touch. So all those functionalities is known as a all those kinds of functionalities we have is known as a method. We can provide any such definition when the user touch any of the object. So what will happen? That functionality can be inside this method. Now I'm changing the way of calling. Now I'm calling the method because I'm providing a receiver for that. Inside that there is a receiver, human being pointer, human being. This is known as a receiver. Only the object of human being over the touch. If otherwise I'm calling for a demo purpose I wrote here. Please don't think this is a correct way of doing everything. I will tell you how to read interface in between and human being also. So later on I will tell you about those things. But if I am trying to open touch, there is a touch function, but it's giving an error. Undeclared name or touch, because there is no human being type variable. Okay, so where? Okay, now there is a touch. This is a way of human being. Okay, we need to provide an interface in between. So in interface, method, so we need a human being interface for that. So this is a touch function called. Thank you for watching the videos, and if you have any query regarding any of the tutorial, let me know. Stay connected with us.